Hey guys, today we are seeing how to install WordPress locally on your system and you can develop your website from it. So the first step is you will need to go to this wordpress.org, and I have kept this wordpress.org open, and when you click on get WordPress here, it will go to a download page and you can download the latest version of WordPress. So I had already downloaded a 5.83 version, so I'll try to extract this and show you guys how to do it. So I'm using a zip extractor, and when I click on extract, so it will ask me uh, to which directory I want to extract it. So I will create a directory called as WordPress v1, and I'll try to extract it. So all the extraction has been done, and I will close this thing. And when I see here, you can see here there is a one more WordPress folder created, and all these are the content. So here what I'll do, I have installed a lamp server, and I will uh, locally go to that WordPress folder, WordPress v1, and I need to go to one more WordPress v1. Okay, so this naming convention you need to keep in your mind. So I had given the smallest v. Now here is the configuration setup open. So we need to know the database name, password, host, and all these things. So let's start. I'll click on let's go, and here I'll create a WordPress database name as WPV1 database, and username by default it will be root, and password also I have kept it as root. So let's create this database. To create a database, I will use a terminal, and here I will type a command mysql minus u root minus p, and here I entered my password. Once entered my password, you can see the MySQL, and I'll say show databases. We will see. So these are all the databases present here. So I'll try to create a new create database, and I'll paste the database here, WPV1, and click on enter. And here you can see the query. Okay, and let's see the show databases query, and we can see our this is create a new database, and let's click on submit. And this is the file which gets created. So you can create a WP file. So here let's create a WP hyphen config file, and let's paste it here. So I'll open this VS code, and I'll go to this HTML WordPress v1, and here I will create a WP config.html file and paste the content here and save it. So you can say wp-config.php. So it should be PHP. I'll rename it to PHP. This is a very awesome tool. So you can create anything from here. So you can say, okay, here the starting is the PHP. So once you have done this and saved it, I'm going back here and I'm clicking on run installation, and you can see all this installations starts here. So it is asking the username and password which we can create here. So here I'll say my first website. This is my first website, and put the admin as the name, and the password you can give a strong password, and I will try to give a password. It's very big, it is easy for me to remember right now. So you can make it as strong by entering all this stuff. by using the password character, and I will try to use the password. And if you want, you can create your email ID in case you forget your password. So you can give your email ID and search engine visibility. So whenever uh, you want whether the search engines to be detected or not, so these things you can configure it here. So I want my website when I host it to be visible to search engine. So I click on install WordPress. The WordPress has begun to install. So no, I got an error. You must provide a email address. So I'll say something as sample at the rate sample test.com. So this is a test email ID, and you can see my password also. You can try to hide it and click on confirm a few week password and click on install. Once you click on install, you can see here it is getting installed. So in the meantime, you can see use WPV1. So we are using this WPV1 show tables. And when I say, can you see these are all the tables being created? So this is the installation happening. Earlier it was 11 tables, now it has become 12 tables. So let me execute it once again. So data is being inserted into all this table, and so let's wait for a couple of minutes and see here. Your WordPress site has been created successfully. Now to see your front end, just go here and WordPress, and this is your first WordPress website, and this is your admin, and you can type your password. So we choose as admin, and here password is root. This is your dashboard where you can customize all your site. So if you and all the things will get here automatically reflected. So you can see my first website, hello world post, everything. So if you like this video, you can make subscribe and to my channel. So thank you for watching.